Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is first part of lecture number 13, and in this lecture we will study one phase half wave uncontrolled rectifier with R load. In this lecture we basically concentrate on operation of rectifier circuit and various waveforms. In next part of this lecture we will calculate the various parameters for this rectifier circuit. So before starting, let's have a look on the basic definitions associated with any rectifier circuit. First is conduction angle, that is gamma d. This is the angle for which diode conducts, or it is the angle for which diode acts as short circuit. Next is excitation angle beta. Beta is the angle up to which we get output current. Next is peak inverse voltage. It is maximum reverse voltage across diode. Next is circuit turn-off time Tc. It is the time for which diode is in reverse bias. Now I tell you the terminology used in the study of these rectifiers. I used very simple terminology to study the rectifiers. Wherever you see Vs, it means supply voltage which is alternating, and this Vs means value of supply voltage at any time t. This is Vm, it means maximum voltage, and sin omega t. Omega is the angular frequency of input supply voltage. Wherever you see this V0, it means output voltage at any time t. When you see I0, it means output current at any time t. V0 average is output average voltage. I0 average is output average current. V0 max means maximum value of output voltage, and I0 max means maximum value of output current. V0 RMS means RMS value of output voltage. I0 RMS means RMS value of output current. So this is very simple terminology. Now we will see the operation of this rectifier circuit. In this circuit, load is resistive, and this load is connected in series with this diode, and this whole circuit is supplied with voltage source Vs, that is equals to Vm sin omega t. This is waveform of supply voltage Vs. So we will study the operation of this whole circuit in two angular modes. First we will see the operation from 0 to pi, then we will see the operation from pi to 2 pi. First see the operation from 0 to pi. From 0 to pi, this positive half cycle of sinusoidal waveform is applied to this diode. So when positive polarity is applied to anode of this diode gets forward bias and acts as short circuit. So when this diode is short circuited, then what happens? This supply voltage Vs will appear across the load, and we will get V0 is equals to Vs. Okay, so we will see that this positive cycle appear across the load from 0 to pi. And what is I0? I0 is simply equals to V0 by R, and we know that V0 is equals to Vs. That's why we get I0 is equals to Vs by R. We know that diode is ideal, and drop across ideal diode during forward bias is equals to 0. That's why drop across diode from 0 to pi is equals to 0. Now what happens from pi to 2 pi? From pi to 2 pi, the polarity of sinusoidal voltage reverses. When this polarity reverses, then negative potential is applied to this diode. When negative potential is applied to anode of diode, then this diode will act as open circuit. When this diode is open circuit, then what happens? No current will flow in this circuit. So we get I0 is equals to 0, and we know that V0 is equals to I0 into R. That's why we get output voltage that is equals to 0. Okay, now when this V0 is equals to 0 from pi to 2 pi, then this whole voltage will appear across this diode. Okay, that's why diode voltage is equals to supply voltage from pi to 2 pi. So here in this waveform we can see that this whole negative voltage is appear across this diode. So this is drop across diode from pi to 2 pi. This is all about operation of one phase half wave uncontrolled rectifier. In next lecture we will calculate the various parameters for this rectifier circuit. So that's all about this video. I hope you will like the video. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.